Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Stay Gorgeous. I am Sridevi. Today we are going to see a sheet mask or a face mask to get glowing, flawless, bright and fresh skin in the summer. We need one cucumber. Wash and peel the skin. We need one potato. Wash and peel the skin of your potato. And we need a half lemon. Cut cucumber and potato into pieces and grind it in your grinder and make a smooth paste. Strain the potato and cucumber juice and add half a lemon. Cucumber will help to reduce dullness and puffiness from your face. It cools sun damage, it gives the best hydration for your skin and it will help in reducing dark circles. Application of potato juice on your face will help in brighten your skin, reduce acne scars and blemishes. It will exfoliate your skin and gives an anti-aging effect. Your skin will look younger and fresher after the application of potato juice. Mix all the ingredients. Now take a cotton ball. Using this cotton ball, apply this mask on your face and neck. Let it dry for 20 to 30 minutes and wash with normal water. Lemon naturally contains antioxidants and vitamin C. This will help in skin lightening. Your skin will look even toned after using this lemon juice on your face. Now to make a sheet mask, you can use a normal cloth tissue. I am using here a compressed tissue which I have bought from Amazon. Now soak this compressed tissue tablet in this juice and open it and apply it on your face. Again you can leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Then wash it with normal water. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification about my new videos. And please share it with your friends. Thank you.